What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and today's video is going to be a little different. So one of the guys I bought from throughout the whole COVID situation actually hit me up for the first time in a few months and said, hey, I got some consoles, some controllers and stuff. I don't really know if they work, I don't know what's going on, but you can have them for 30 bucks. I've had this box for 2 or 3 days. I've been working 16-hour shifts, so I haven't been able to look into it, and I thought, hey, I haven't really looked into it. I thought it would be a cool video. Can I make my money back? We're about to find out. So, off the start, it seems like an original Xbox. The biggest issue that I've had with these OG Xboxes is the fact that the disk drive never works. So, I really hope the disk drive on this system works. If there's a power cord in here, I'm just going to power it on and see. Because 9 times out of 10, for me, if the disk drive works, it works. Obviously, I test it more off camera. But, yeah, I'm hoping even if all of this is broken or all of this doesn't work, I can still make my money back. We got an N64. There's no rattling in either of them. That's a really good sign. Just kind of dirty. The dude does smoke black and mild, so it does gotta have a little bit of a faint scent, but that's not really too hard to get out. Let's see what we got in here cord-wise. So I'm hoping these are the cords for the consoles and not just random cords. This looks like an N64 cord. I really hope it is. I don't really know older consoles like that. Yeah, it's an N64 cord. Boom. Awesome. Okay. Side, we have a controller right here. Feeling-wise, the buttons feel good. It's pretty scuffed, and you can see the cord right here is kind of out. So what I'll do is when I test the system, I'll test the controller. And let me check the rest of the cord here. Yeah. Okay. So that's really the only issue. Is the cord right here is visible. So I'll test this controller, and if it works, what I'll do is I will take a picture in the listing of this section right here, as well as, you know, I want to clean up the controller, but you still see all these black marks, all this dust. I'll clean it up, make sure it looks as best as it can, and if it works, I should be able to get, you know, 15-20 bucks for it, because the stuff for the N64 is still a little pricey. Nope, speakers. Oh, I see an original Xbox controller. So a couple of those for 10 bucks. And if none of this works, I can either sell it as parts or I'll just hit Chase up again, because Chase buys from me once every few months. And if I look a little dirty, it's because I haven't showered. I got work in an hour. I work every day. So I'm just trying to pump some videos out. I can't get this untangled, so I'm just gonna go with the controller. And also, let me give my friend a little shameless plug real quick. If you guys need videos edited, I'm going to leave a link to Qenseu's Fiverr account down below. That's another reason why the uploads have been kind of slow, because I've been working with him on his Fiverr account, and I'm trying to help him improve his sources of income, because he's in college right now, and working a minimum wage job really does suck. So I'm trying to help him make more money, as he is. And yeah, be sure if you want videos edited, or if you want thumbnails made, check out his Fiverr listing down below. Okay, oh, this Xbox controller feels crisp. It's a little dirty, but other than that, it feels really crisp. So this one should hopefully work. Obviously, I'll test it with the console. And if the consoles don't work, maybe a restore and resell, who knows. But we got a power cord. You guys know how I feel about power cords. Just check for any rips or tears. That's how I check for rips and tears. Awesome, so it doesn't seem to be anything special. But I mean, it's a power cord. Worst comes to worst, I get 5-6 bucks for it. Boom. I mean, I spent $30 on everything. So even if it all doesn't work, I'm gonna make money. We got a little TV remote right here. I think I've sold this one before actually. I only got like 3 or 4 bucks for it. It doesn't got any corrosion in the back. It has no battery corrosion. But all this is dirty, so it's gonna take me, you know, a little bit to clean up. But other than that, it ain't too bad. This should be the original Xbox video cable right here. Yes, sir. Yes, it is. Boom. Of course, got a little bit of a like a bend twist right there. From it just being in the system for so long, but hey, if I could do a bundle, a pre-owned console bundle, even on Facebook, it's good money. It's good money. What is this right here? This is just a normal power cord. Actually, this might be the original Xbox power cord. Nice. We got a bungee strap in here. What is this right here? It's some sort of adapter. Xbox RF adapter. Hopefully this is worth a little bit. Adapters are normally worth a lot or a little. It depends on what kind of adapter they are. I've never sold this adapter, but it does have a little bit of weight to it. So it might be worth a little bit. Yeah, there's only a couple items left in here. Actually, because this video is going to be a shorter video, I'm going to go ahead and look up what this adapter's worth real quick. So yeah, I mean nothing special. $4 plus shipping, that's not bad. Alright, so it seems, let's look at these speakers next, because I think I've got them mostly untangled. Yeah, okay, so I don't know if these work. These are definitely cheap speakers. Maybe I could use these for the office or something. I don't really have anything with an aux cable. But you know, if they're not worth selling, I can always donate them if they work. If they don't work, I don't want to donate them because I don't want people to buy them and them not work, you know? Yeah, a generic thing of speakers. If they aren't blunt, I might just keep them for the office. We'll see how that goes. So my GoPro has a weird issue of it doing this. I don't know exactly where it left off at, but basically what I was talking about was this and this were the last items in the box. I don't really know what they're worth, and I hope they work. But these buttons feel crisp. The controller itself feels really good. The cord has no tears. Before I end the video and go through all my outro, I'm going to see how much one of these go for. And hopefully, if at least one item in here works, I can double my money. Let's see. Okay. So after my quick little research, if this controller works, it'll pay for the by itself. That's kind of crazy to actually think about it. And even if they don't work, they still go for $10 a piece. So, without a doubt in my mind, I'm going to make money. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. And I know that it always seems like there's an excuse for the lack of videos, but I do always have something come up. Right now I'm working 60-hour weeks, and I'm trying to focus on my business more than my YouTube channel, as well as helping my friend Ty find another source of income. Like I said, if any of you guys have a channel on YouTube, or you're stressed out and are trying to start a channel on YouTube, he'll edit your videos, he'll make your thumbnails. His Fiverr link's down below. It's really cheap. For his lowest level, it's $5. He goes all the way up to $15. He might increase it to $20, so hop on it before he does. He's a great editor, he's great at making thumbnails, and yeah, if you need a thumbnail made, or if you want a video edited, check his link out down below. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and keep flipping.
They all tryna be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil' homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist. Fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit. I'ma have to move on the low. Yeah, I know that they be fucking with the flow.